We have another one of our local favourite recipes here. We have our pork meatballs in a Ballymaloe relish glaze with our kale, Colcannon and peas on the side. So our first step, we're going to start with preheating the oven to 220, and we have a pot of salted water on the boil for our potatoes. Next up, we're going to tear our kale, getting rid of the stem, peel and grate our garlic. Our potatoes are going to take about 12 to 18 minutes to cook, so we're going to move on and make our meatballs, Central American spice mix, breadcrumbs, our pork mince, salt and pepper, and our garlic. Our next step, we're going to roll our meatballs about 3 to 4 per person. You're going to stick them into the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. When your potatoes have around 2 to 3 minutes left of cooking, we're going to add the kale to the pot. Okay, our next step is we are going to drain our kale and our potatoes. We're going to add a little knob of butter, some milk, and we're going to season with salt and pepper to our potatoes and our kale, and then we're going to mash. So I've got a pan here on medium-high heat with just a drizzle of oil. I'm going to add our peas, frying for 2 or 3 minutes. Take our meatballs out of the oven now, and then we're going to start glazing them with the Ballymaloe relish and a knob of butter. There you have it, guys, our pork meatballs with Ballymaloe relish, a quick, easy midweek dinner that the whole family will love.